Which of the following forms of electromagnetic waves is used in cancer treatment? Is it X-ray, ultraviolet, gamma ray, or microwave? We are using what? Gamma ray. Okay? We are using gamma ray. Ito po is ginagamit natin for or killing cancer cells. X-ray is to view inside objects sa ating bodies, yung bukbukog, yung bones, okay? Yung bones. Ultraviolet, yan po yung na-absorb sa skin. That is why medyo danger siya, 'di ba? Kasi magkakaroon tayo ng skin cancer. Visible light, those are the ones that we observe. Okay? Infrared, ginagamit natin siya sa mga radiators, cellphones, nagtatransmit ng heat temperature. Ano pa? Microwave. Microwave, yung ginagamit niyo sa inyong kitchen, 'di ba? Cooking, radar telephone, other signals. Lastly, radio waves. Okay, broadcasting. Okay, lahat mga broadcasting, radio waves po iyan.